Okay, so we're on the coastal trail, so we're gonna walk down possibly this way, but there's also another way that way too. So stay tuned. Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're going to be heading down that way in a minute. Just kind of show you all the stuff that's around here. That sign right there. So yeah, I think that coastal trail goes quite a ways down that way. We'll see. I'll kind of show you where we are. So we're kind of in this little space right there. And then we have the option, we could go down that way. There's so much to explore. But I think that you're kind of going to get the same feel whichever direction we go, so we might as well go more this way. And I think my plan is to go for about 7 minutes, kind of show this coastal route, and I want to show you some other stuff too. So how beautiful that is. And actually the sun is better going this way anyways at this time. It's kind of funny. So this one says that the fish in this zone is not adequate for eating, so it's prohibited to fish. But we have lots of people fishing here, so I don't know who they're going to sell the fish to. Hopefully not to restaurants. So you probably want to see where we just came from, which is that space right there. So it's really beautiful. So let's kind of get back in the shade a little bit. And you can get an idea of how big those rocks are too. Yeah, those rocks are huge, right? It's this beautiful coastal trail. It goes for quite a ways. I don't know how far it goes, but I guess maybe a couple kilometers maybe. There we go. So as we get up this hill, we can see more. Try to go up a little bit further. I definitely want to capture some of this, and that's that pavilion all the way down. So that little pavilion is beautiful. Goes down the coastal trail like that. Yeah, so actually I could definitely walk the whole trail, but kind of want to just give you a taste of it. So this is the third video, probably the last video. Then the fourth one I'm gonna hook it up to some houses that's nearby, so you'll see that in a minute. The time is right, you'll see it. So yeah, this is coastal trail. First time I saw this, I was really surprised, because I thought, you know, it's like something I would see in a magazine. I was like, how can I not know that Macau has something so beautiful like this, like these coastal trails with, you know, these rocks on one side and rocks on the other side, and this kind of trail to walk with a, you know, that little pavilion that we saw back there. You can still see that just barely. So I was kind of surprised. Yeah, it's the coastal trail, and not too far away is the beach, and there's also all these kind of colonial houses. So keep watching, I'll be filming those ones too. There's some fishermen over there. I think this is called Camel Rock. So yeah, that's called Camel Rock right there. So let's just kind of show you this in the picture. Camel Rock. So you can see that image right there, right? And then that one is right there too. So let's keep on walking. They also have some stuff for like floral things. So there'll be something like these things right here. Must be something, one of these in here, one of these trees. Coastal trail markers. I guess if you have a problem, you can say, oh, I'm near this coastal mark trail, I guess, on your phone. I guess you'd have to do that, right? I guess that's part of security or safety or whatever. Okay, so let's go back, focus on this spot again. Yeah, I think way over there, I think these are like islands for Hong Kong. But the mainland of Hong Kong is much further away. Let's just kind of keep on walking down. So yeah, this is called Coloane. It's the most southern part of Macau, and it's called it's like a coastal trail, not too far from Haksa Beach. It's another one. I'm gonna guess this one. Looks like the aloe plant, but there's a ton of them all over the place in here, so let's see what it is. Yeah, definitely looks like it. Falso ananas. Okay, let's keep on walking. Okay. So I got this beautiful trail right there, and I also want to show you there's like a little trail that goes all the way up there too. Might be interesting to go up there, but I don't know if that's the plan today. There's a lot of stuff to see in this area, so but that does look kind of inviting, that little trail that goes up there like that. But my main goal is not to take you hiking, it's to take you on this coastal trail so you can see what it looks like. And kind of follow all the way down, right? And another rock formation. Might end this pretty soon. It's already at 7.5 minutes. We're also kind of getting near the end too, so which might be good for another video. Yeah, it looks pretty cool up there. Let's have all those as well. There's a brick wall right there. It's pretty cool. And we're kind of near the end, so right there is kind of near the end of this as well. So let's just kind of show you this beautiful rock formation. It's pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna walk down a little bit further, and then I guess this one will come to an end in a minute. I'll show you the beginning of it. Might even show you where we'll do a couple of things. First we'll show you this sign to the left. It's octopus, squid, shells. And this says Chukban Coastal Trail. Haksa Long Chao Kok Coastal Trail. I think you can see that. And then it's going to come out in a minute. Ooh, it's already at 9.5 minutes. Just want to show you the beach. There's a beach It's a little bit removed from here, but I want to get to it anyways and just kind of kids are having fun. And then we're gonna come to like a whole row of all these colonial houses, and we're also gonna come to overlook the beach as well. So we're gonna do both of those in a minute. I want to show you those before we close this video. So this is the street. Haksa Long Chao Kok. So that's that street, and then you can see all these old houses, colonial houses. There's a whole row of them. And we're gonna go over, show you the beach as well. And then there's a long Haksa beach that goes all the way from there. It's a hotel, and it goes all the way down there. There's a whole beach of people. And that's that road. And you got all these colonial houses. And the coastal trail is where we started at. So and there's also porta potty bathrooms up there. So we started out right there. We just basically went all the way. We started from way down that way and came all the way this way. Just end it right there. Okay, this is the backside. So this is the what it looks like from here. So you can see this is Haksa Beach. So the other videos I was doing were all over there on that coastal trail over there on the edge. Then you can see all the housing that were all along here from the coastal trail. And then this is Haksa Beach, so it's quite busy all the way around in here. So here we are on the other side. This is Haksa Beach, so you can see all the people. And we're just gonna zoom in. So over there is all those housings, and we were over there. And that little trail has all these houses all the way down. And then that's the coastal trail that goes around there. So let's see if we can zoom in further. Nope, as much as we can zoom in. So let's kind of put this back in context. So yeah, we were basically all over there. Now you get an idea. So okay.